Hey there again. This tutorial is going to show you how to draw a really quick line drawing of a bicycle. So check this out. I'm going to start off with my wheels. So I'm going to click on the circle tool, hold Control on the keyboard, click and drag a circle out. Good. Click on my edit object colors, make sure that's open, go to stroke paint, go to fill, turn the fill off, stroke paint, turn the stroke on, stroke style, make the width a little bit thicker, that's good. Click on the selector, move this over, right click, duplicate, move it over, bam, there's my two wheels. Alright, I'm going to use the Bezier Tool to create the bicycle part. So I'm going to click once, drag it out, draw a line, click, and this is kind of like a trapezoid. I think that's the right term. And boom, there it is. Stroke paint. I'm going to make that the same width as the other. Okay, so there's my bike frame. Click on the Bezier tool again. In the middle of this wheel, click once, connect here, click once, click over here, click here. You're going to double click this time. Bam, and there you have a line. Highlight the width, 6. There's my handlebar. I can move that over a little bit more. There we go. And now I use the circle tool. I'm going to draw a quick seat, fill it in with black. Click on the Bezier tool again. Click here. Double click here. Close that up. Stroke style. Make that 6 again. Enter. And click on the selector. Move that down some. And bam. There's your bicycle. It should take you that long to draw a bike. If that's too fast, pause and play the video. And you should be able to get this pretty quick. Go ahead and add text to it. Bicycle. And your name, and you're done. Make sure you save it in your Inkscape folder, file, save as, bike, and your initials.